Hey, Jerry Hawk 250 here. It's been a while since I've made a video. That's most because weather here has been terribly cold and wet and rainy. But yesterday and today, it's been beautiful. Temperatures are actually up in the 80s. So, kind of go a few things. In fact, I've done this last Sunday. Had a nice day to go ride. A little chilly, but I went ride. But before I went to take a ride, I installed my oil cooler, which finally came in. You can see I mounted. There's an existing bracket on here. The holes matched up perfect. I was able to mount it directly onto the frame, and of course, to give you the little clamps for the back. But, actually came for use today because it did get pretty hot today. As you can see how it's ran, this line actually goes to the suction line, which is the hole that goes to the center of this adapter. So basically it's sucking oil from the sump, from this line, through the oil cooler and back into the engine. And the reason I've done that with the filter here is if there's any trash that was in here from manufacturing, that would catch it in this little screen filter, which on my last bike I did find a few little pieces of metal in it, so it was a good idea to mount this on the suction line. And it's easy to do. You can look, before you put it on there, you can look through and then you can see which one goes to the center. And basically I made a mark on the adapter, so I know which ones, once I put it on, I know which one is which. But yeah, it's definitely working. But yeah, I just want to give a little update. Really hadn't done anything else to it. I do have a 4-degree timing key, which I still hadn't had a chance to install. I mean, it's beautiful weather. It's like I wasn't staying home and not ride the bike and play around with the bike. I could do that on another weekend. I just want to get some miles on the bike. Right now, actually, I just got a little over 700 miles, so you could tell I hadn't been riding the thing very much. But yeah, even at 700 miles, I love the bike. Real nice cruiser. Definitely got to do the sprocket change and rejetting. But as far as any other mods, besides removing the cat, that's it. Engine loosened up, is getting a little better on top end. It will. I've gotten it over 70, 71, 72, and I know it'll still climb, but I just backed off. It's possible it'll do 75 if I really want to hold it long enough. But once I get the timing key put in, and I'm thinking about ordering my cam for it, and then I'm gonna port the head. Well, I already got a head ported. That should really wake it up some more. But just want to give you a little update on it, where I'm at with it and what I've been doing. Like I said, I hadn't had much time to ride, but took advantage of it last Sunday and this weekend. So don't forget, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit up Venom Motorsports. You can use the discount code JerryHawk250 and get an extra $50 off.